zoologists. I hope you are all great. Okay, let's read 100 plus points on fishes first year to MSc level. The fishes are regarded as the ancestors of all other vertebrates. The fishes move through the water using their fins and body walls. Devonian period is known as the age of fishes. Much of early evolution of bony fishes occurred in warm fresh water of lakes and streams during Devonian period. The earliest fishes were filter feeders and scavengers feeding on dead. Herring, paddle-fishes, and whale sharks are examples of filter feeders. These fishes have gill rakers which trap planktons. In this way, they feed on those planktons by trapping. Carp is an example of herbivorous fish. Lampreys are examples of ectoparasites. However, the modern fishes are predatory in nature due to the development of jaws. According to recent research, zoologists believe that the most primitive vertebrates were hagfishes. In other research, the origin of bone was first observed in early fishes in two possible ways. Denticles in the skin of shark-like fishes gave rise to bone, or the eel-like animals possess tooth-like structures which might have given rise to the origin of bone 510 million years ago. According to fossil record, the bones were well developed in ostracoderms 500 million years ago. The ostracoderms are extinct. Jawless fishes. The ostracoderms were bottom dwellers. Most were filter feeders. Examples of ostracoderms include Anapsis, Pteraspis, Anglapis, Osteotrachyn. All of these are extinct. The first vertebrates were marine, they lived in sea. And it is a fact that over 41% species of fishes live in fresh water, although the volume of sea water is much larger than the freshwater bodies, lakes and rivers, as the fresh water shares only 0.0093% by volume. The living fishes are divided into two major superclasses, agnathans and gnathostomes. The agnathans, these are jawless fishes, and it includes two classes, class Myxini, that includes hagfishes, and class Cephala pedomorphi, it includes lampreys. Gnathostomes, they have jaws, includes class Chondrichthyes, that includes cartilaginous fishes, and class Osteichthyes, that includes bony fishes. The class Agnatha jawless fishes include hagfishes and the lampreys. The fins of hagfishes and lampreys are unpaired and located along the midline of the body. Members of class Agnatha have cartilaginous skeleton. The hagfishes and lampreys don't have any scales. Their skin is slimy, which contains gill openings for gaseous exchange. Members of class Myxini includes hagfishes. The hagfishes are called osmoconformous because they have isotonic body fluids as compared to their external aquatic environment. The hagfishes feed on soft-bodied invertebrates. The hagfishes also feed on dead or dying fishes, and hence they are called scavengers. They enter into fish and feed on almost every part, only leaving their skeleton behind. Members of the class Cephala pedomorphi includes lampreys. Adult lampreys feed on other fishes, whereas their larvae are filter feeders. The lampreys have ammocyte larvae in their larval stage. The salivary glands of lampreys secrete anticoagulant compounds to feed on the blood of prey. This is similar to feeding habits of leeches. Some lampreys are not predatory, such as genus Lemtera. The Lemtera are known as the book lampreys. The gnathostomes fishes with jaws and paired appendages includes cartilaginous and bony fishes. The two classes of gnathostomes are extinct: Placoderms and Acanthodians. The class Chondrichthyes includes cartilaginous fishes such as sharks, skates, and rays, as well as redfishes. They don't have bone but only cartilage. Members of Chondrichthyes don't have a swim bladder, gill cover, or bony skeleton. Cartilaginous fishes are mostly marine. The cartilaginous fishes have heterocircle tail. The cartilaginous fishes don't have opercula over their gills. The class Chondrichthyes is divided into two subclasses, subclass Elasmobranchi and subclass Holocephaly. Members of subclass Elasmobranchi includes sharks, skates, and rays. There are about 700 species of Elasmobranchi. The Elasmobranchs have modified pharyngeal slits called spiracles for gaseous exchange. Members of the subclass Holocephaly includes red fishes such as chimeras, rhinochimera, Calorhynchus, and Heriota. There are about 30 species of subclass Holocephaly. The red fishes don't have any scales. The endoskeleton of cartilaginous fishes contains placoid scales. The teeth of sharks are actually the modified placoid scales. The skates and rays use their blunt teeth to feed on invertebrates. Scolidion, which is commonly known as dogfish, is an example of cartilaginous fish which is commonly found in our seas near India and Pakistan. The cartilaginous fishes have 5 gill slits exposed. The mouth of cartilaginous fishes is ventral in position. The bony fishes belong to the class Ostisthies. Common examples include eel, seahorse, flying fish, globfish, pomfret, carps, locally called rahu in Pakistan, and among other fishes known as a part of class Ostisthies. Common characteristics of bony fishes are lungs or swim bladder, gills with operculum, and bones. The bony fishes regulate their buoyancy by controlling the volume of gas in their swim bladder. The opercula cover the gills of the bony fishes. There are about 20,000 species of bony fishes. The class Ostisthies is divided into two subclasses, subclass Sarcopterygii, lobe-finned fishes, and subclass Actinopterygii, that includes ray-finned fishes. The subclass Sarcopterygii includes lobe-finned fishes with muscular lobes. Common examples include lungfishes and coelacanths. The third group of Sarcopterygii became extinct. The third group is Osteolapiformes or Rhipidiscians. The lungfishes live in seasonal drought regions where they hide themselves in mud and breathe through lungs. The subclass Actinopterygii includes ray-finned fishes without any muscular lobes. The subclass Actinopterygii contains two intra-classes, Chondroisti and Neopterygii. There are about 25 species of Chondroisti. Two primitive genera of Neopterygii are found in the warm freshwater of North America. Paddlefishes and sturgeons are the examples of Chondroisti. A sturgeon with 450 kg weight can produce up to 45 kg of caviar eggs. Most of these eggs are wasted and never survive due to several external environmental reasons. The endoskeleton of bony fishes is comprised of bones. The exoskeleton of bony fishes contains cycloid or ctenoid scales. Gills are covered by operculum. In bony fishes, bladder is an hydrostatic skeleton present in most of the bony fishes. The tail fins of bony fishes is homocircle or difficircle. The fastest fish is shellfish. The slowest fish is seahorse. The heart of fish is two-chambered, that includes one atrium and the other ventricle. The fishes have single circuit circulation. The bony fishes and sharks excrete urea. Fishes may dwell in fresh or marine water, trout in fresh water, whereas mackerel in marine. The freshwater fishes have a hypertonic body fluid and hence they excrete excessive water by dilute urine. The marine bony fishes have a hypertonic body fluid and hence they conserve water by constantly drinking water, and they excrete small quantity of concentrated urine. Otherwise, isotonic urine is observed in mackerel. Sharks and rays remove excess salts by special glands present in their rectum. Fixed action pattern (FAP) is an example of innate and instinctive behavior found in male stickleback fish. This fish attacks other males to warn against entering into their territory. Some sharks provide nourishment to their embryos. The characteristics of shark is similar to the eutherian or placental mammals. The teleos are known as the modern bony fishes. They have remarkable evolutionary diversification. Common examples of teleos include carp, trout, salmon, catfishes, seahorse, and many more. Non-teleosed fishes have ganoid scales. The teleos fishes have cycloid or ctenoid scales. The bony fishes have out pockets in their intestine. These out pockets are called pylorixica. The evolution of lungs took place by the loss of gill gradually by the long passage of time, unless Osteostega, first amphibian, came. Most fishes use gills for gases exchange. For gases exchange, some fishes are use ram ventilation method in which fishes hold their mouth open during swimming to allow water flow. Such as sharks must keep moving to survive. The fishes have snoot which contains external nares or openings leading into olfactory receptors for smelling. The eyes of fishes are lidless, which means they don't have any lids. The lenses of fishes are round, due to which they have to move their lens back and forth to focus on any object. In extremely cold weather, the fishes use antifreeze materials such as polyalcohol, sorbitol, or glycerol to regulate their body temperature. They also use proteins or protein sugar compounds that prevent ice crystals to be formed. Like other vertebrates, the fishes have semicircular canals for equilibrium or balance. The fishes don't have any outer ear. The vibrations are passed from the water through the bones of the skull into the middle ear. Electric fishes generate weak electrical fields from the activities of nerves and muscles. This unique characteristic is found in 7 families of chondrichthyes and osteichthyes: electric eel, bonyfish, and electric ray, elasmobranch. Both produce strong electrical currents. The electric eels are found in Amazon River basins of South America. The electric ray has electric organs present in its fins which are capable of producing pulses of 50 amperes at about 50 volts. The diadromous fishes migrate between freshwater and marine environments. Examples include salmon, marine lampreys, and freshwater eel. Up to 90% excretion in fishes takes place through the gills. Only 10% of the excretion occurs through their kidney. Some sharks are ovoviviparous, which means that their embryo develops in a modified oviduct of the female. However, grey reef sharks and hammer head sharks are examples of viviparous, that means giving birth to the young. Claspers are the special type of organs present in some fishes to insert sperms into the cloaca of female fish. In this way, fertilization then takes place in the female reproductive tract. In Brazilian catfish, catfish, they develop their embryos in an enlarged lower lip. Sarcopterygi, it includes osteolapiforms, are now considered as the ancestors of terrestrial vertebrates. The muscles of modern fishes are arranged in a zigzag manner. This helps in swimming. Most fishes have segmental myomes in their musculature.